So, as we have learned from last week's lesson, boiling is the process by which a liquid turns into a gas when it is heated to its boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius. Water will be very hot and can cause burn, just like what you have seen just now. The change from a liquid phase to a gaseous phase occurs when the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure exerted on the liquid. As you can see, the steam or the water vapor, which is the water in gaseous states, starts to escape from the beaker. As the water boils, its temperature remains the same at 100 degrees Celsius. We can observe bubbles throughout the boiling water as it gains heat and turned into a gas. Now, how can we measure temperature of this water? Of course, by using a laboratory thermometer like this. Let me try to measure the temperature of this boiling water. As you can see, the mercury, which is in the middle of the thermometer, keeps on rising until finally it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. In this way, we can see and we can measure the temperature of a boiling water. Now, let us try to answer the try this section of your pupils book. It's on page 6. It is about Mr. Lim's experiment. Here are the materials that we need. We have here a retort stand, a tripod, Bunsen burner, wire gouge, Erlenmeyer flask with water, and of course, we need a thermometer. We are going to measure the boiling water. So we are going to set it up like this. Mr. Lim's experiment presented the answer and the result of this experiment in this graph. Based on the graph and based on Mr. Lim's experiment, we need you to answer the questions on page 6 of your pupils book, then submit to your homework so that your homework will also pass it on to me and to Ms. Nerva. So, that's all for me today. See you in our Zoom class. Happy learning, everyone!